Hey family, hey tastemakers, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. And this is Tanya here, and in today's video I want to share with you items that are at the Dollar General 90% off clearance event. These are gift sets that I purchased for 90% off, and they're at Dollar General today. So I got on as soon as I could because I was too busy in there going through all the stuff to like really, and there was a lot going on in the store, so I couldn't really turn my camera on. Too many people in my way. So here is, first of all, this is beautiful. I got a couple of these here from Studio Selection. You get a body lotion, a perfume, body spray, and shower gel all in one. It was $10, so that means I paid, and it says if you like Victoria's Secret teas, you'll love ours. So this was $10 originally, so that means I paid $1. Okay, and then over here I got these were two Plush Pampering Petty Kit. They call them Pampering Petty Kits. And you get Plush socks and a foot cream for $5. These are by Onyx. And so 50 cents I paid for each one of these. Okay, let's see. Are there any UPC codes? Maybe you could, that'll help out some. I don't know, there's so little. I don't think you could read that. That's why I'm not. Let's see on this other one. Maybe you can read this UPC. Okay, yeah, you can read that one. Okay. And then over here, I love these a lot. A lot of these were left because they sold out of those Dr. Teals. People love those Dr. Teals gift sets. So they sold out of all of those, so these were left, but these are good. This is it's the Fresh Cotton Scented Bath Gift Set. And you get a sponge, get a bath bomb. What is this? Body cream, body wash, and a bubble bath. You got everything. It's a 5-piece set. And they were $5 originally, and I paid 50 cents. So let me show you the UPC. All right, there it is. And I am a cosmetologist, and when you see this 12M, that means, you know, these products are suggested that you use them within 12 months. Okay. But you're finding, you know, that's after you open it. Okay, and then I got this in the lilac. And there were a lot more. I got almost all of these. In the stores I went to, I got all of these sets here. Okay, and this is lilac. You got the same thing. You get a bath bomb. Shower, what is it? Bath bomb, bath poof. I was trying to think. I call them bath sponges, but they call them bath poofs. And body cream. I'm sorry, guys, I'm kind of tired, and it was drizzly today, and I got up early, so I'm sorry if I kind of hesitate. I wanted to hurry up and get this stuff so you can still have some time to check it out if you need to. Okay, so you get all of that. Studio Selection, they were initially $5. And let's see. You can read that UPC there. Okay. Those are gorgeous. And then one of my favorite finds is the 4-piece slipper set. These were $10. I got several of these. This is the lavender scent. And you have a foot scrub and a lotion inside of some slippers. Beautiful packaging. These slippers are probably one size fits most. I have narrow feet, and yeah, I'm able to slip into them fine. They're fine. Okay, and then I think they're made well enough where if you had wider feet, you can slip into them. So these were $10, so $1. I paid $1. Okay, here's another set of those. And then they had some men's scents over here for men. So let me set that one up. And this one says, if you like Armani Code, you'll like that. And it has a body spray and a cologne. It's $5.50 for me. For us, if you're interested. Father's Day's coming up. If you got grandpas and uncles and stuff like that, they already have everything. You just might want to, you know, just give them a little "I'm thinking about you" gift. And if we have some, you know, friends and family in assisted living or in nursing homes, you know, so give them a little gift to their fathers. And they're on the mend. Okay, it says, now if you like Drakkar, you'll love this scent. I smell, these are nice. These are nice. There's no sense in paying extra money for someone else's name that you don't know. You know, it's like Armani. I mean, that's cool. And if you have the money and if it builds your esteem to wear Armani, that's fine. But this smells good too. You know, and you still, you know, not everybody got millions of dollars, just disposable income. And do you know that the rich people, like they said, the millionaire next door, they don't waste their money on a lot of expensive stuff. They get basic stuff, stack their money and invest, you know, so they're not running around. I mean, sometimes I'm sure they splurge, but you know, it's not, everything doesn't have to be all designer and over the top and ultra expensive, you know, to be consumed. Okay, then I got some more of these face mask collection, and these were 90% off as well. Okay, so this is everything from Dollar General's 90% off sale or clearance event. I mean, guys, I work hard. My husband works hard, and you know, we like to have fun and, you know, enjoy our home, but you know, we just don't throw money away, you know, on stuff that's ridiculous. You know, we're splurged, like me, especially when I was working in corporate America. When I was working at AT&T, we got paid every week, and we got paid well. We had benefits were covered, and then I was young then too, and I was like, I would never spend more than $200. But back then, like in the 80s and 90s and 2000s, you know, paying $250 for a purse was, you know, I would do that. You know, I would get the Dooney Burks and so I never liked Coach because they never had the little feet on the bottom. But you know, I have a designer purse obsession, but I would never spend thousands on one. Even though I liked Gucci purses at that time, I just couldn't do it. And so I just have my limits. So I just wanted to share that with you, that, you know, don't feel bad because you are smart about your money. The rich people are. smart about their money. Other business people, they bid for the lowest price on manufactured goods so they can make a big profit. So that's what it's about. All right, so I get the best things that I can. I test everything out, and if it's good, I don't have a problem sharing it, putting them in my gift basket, and helping out and making gift baskets and stuff for people that just don't have time to do it. And I shop the best places, and I go everywhere. And so just wanted to share that with you. Okay. All right, guys, thanks so much. So if you learned anything or got anything out of this video, I appreciate you going on to subscribe. And if you like my vibe, I would like for you to subscribe. All right, so thank you so much. See you in my next video. Okay, bye, Mom.